All right, what is going on, guys? So I know I've been MIA for quite some time. Been working on a lot of stuff, had a lot of stuff going on, but in this video, I'm going to recap you on everything going on. Going to share with you some updates, and I'm going to let you know where I stand at this moment. So first things first, I haven't posted on YouTube in about a month, I would say, and there's good reason for it. It's because I am pretty much obsessing and focusing over my clients over at my agency, coolproducts.com. That is it. That's pretty much my entire focus, and that is what has been occupying my time. That being said, I want to get into a few other things. Okay, so let's start with number one that you see right here. That is the free course. So been getting a lot of questions about the free course, private messages, emails, you name it. And as you guys have known, I've had a free Amazon FBA course available for the past, I would say, year. And now I have actually discontinued the course. So here's what's what. I no longer have time to provide updates to the course, customer support for the course, everything that ties in with having a course, guys. It's actually a lot more than you think. And to top it all off, guys, there was one major problem with the course from day one. It was that it was free. Let me explain. I'm not saying I'm going to re-release the course and charge, $9.97 like everybody else does, okay? I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, unfortunately, I learned a very valuable lesson, or fortunately, during this whole journey of having a free course, and that is number one. People do not value free information. I sincerely believe the information in that free course is just as good, if not better, than 99% of the paid Amazon courses out there. Doesn't really matter because it's free. People don't value free information. They're not fully invested with their time, with just their entire being, when they don't have to pony up an investment for it. That is just something that I've learned. I'm not really that way, I don't think, at least, but human beings, it's in our nature to be that way. That's just the way it is. So at the end of the day, I was actually doing you a disservice and myself a disservice. Okay, it was almost a lose-lose situation. Now, I know this doesn't apply to every single person who went through the course, because not everybody, like I said, has that mindset. But let me explain to you what was happening, right? I get hundreds of people opting into the course. I have several thousand people inside the course, and literally 5% of the people go past 5% completion of the course. People opt in, they sign up for the course, and they literally don't watch a single video. Why? Because there's no investment made, and it's just, they're just wasting time. And to top it all off, I put in all of that effort and I don't even get paid for it either. So it's kind of a lose-lose situation. I know that sounds a little weird, but it ends up doing everybody a disservice in the end. Number two reason why I quit the course, or why I discontinued the course, is due to reason number one, and the fact that, I don't have time to continually update, provide customer support, this, that, and the other. There's no way in hell that I'm going to have a product on the market for sale, or that people can participate in, where I can't devote 100,000% of my effort, right? There's no way that I'm going to serve you material that could be outdated in the next 6 months or year or whenever. And that is that. So again, guys, I have no interest in selling you something that isn't good, right? It's still a great product, still a great information inside that course, but probably won't be the best, in another 6 months or so, right? And I don't have the time or energy to continually update it. That is pretty much the entire reasoning, or the information I have about the free course. Again, I sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, thank everybody who has joined the free course, who has given me amazing feedback on the course, who has, told me how much it's helped them, who has participated in my Facebook group and loved every second of it. Sincerely appreciate it. I hope that I have helped you in any way that I possibly can. It is time to sort of level up, if you will, shift gears a little bit, because as you guys know, I run an agency where my primary service is launching and ranking Amazon products for big brands, and having an entirely free Amazon FBA course doesn't necessarily attract the proper customer that is going to then buy my services. Okay, it just doesn't. Let's shift gears now. The free course is taken care of. I'm sorry, guys, if you message me and I don't respond or anything like that. It's nothing personal. I just don't have time. and now you know in this video that the free course is no longer available, okay? Sincerely appreciate it, guys. Really, really do. Thank you very much. So let's move on now to topic number 2 here, which are the case studies. All right, guys, so as I alluded to earlier, what I primarily do is provide a high-ticket Amazon product launch service for clients. And these are our 3 most sort of recent product launches. Well, we've had many, but I would say these are our 3 most recent. These ended like December 8th or 9th, and we have many launches currently running right now. But again, I just want to share with you the before and after results of our last 3, just to show you guys a little bit of what I do over there. Again, I'm not selling you anything on this video. I just want to make you aware, because I will be sharing with you at some point in time sort of our exact process, how we do this, how it all works, and how it all fits together. So I just want to make you aware. So let's just start with product number 1 here. Okay, so this was the rankings, as you can see. And again, guys, I'm not hiding the date or anything, right? That's 11/18 right there, November 18th, 2019. That was the day 1 of this product launch. And again, you guys always know I use Helium 10 for everything. This is the Helium 10 keyword tracker, so that is what you are seeing right here. And we have organic ranking and search volume again for this product. Funny thing about this product is it's actually already kind of ranking for these keywords, just because it's not very competitive, but that's beside the point. So again, that's day 1, November 18th. As you guys know, I run my launches for about 21 days usually, and this is December 8th, which is the final day, and this is where we ended up. So top 5 keywords in the 5 keywords in the top 10, very good organic rankings. This product is now doing, quite a bit of sales consistently. So again, that's product number 1. Let's go to product number 2. So here we go. Organic ranking is nothing. This is a hyper competitive product, as you can see on the bottom right there. November 18th, 2019. So let's skip ahead to all the way to day 21 and see where we ended up. So as you guys can see, 6 in the top 10, 9 in the top 50. The 6 in the top 10 are totaling over 62,000 in search volume. Again, number 1 on page 1 for some amazing keywords. Number 2, number 4, number 5, 18,000 per month, number 1. So very, very successful launch. This product is now doing literally, it's on pace for like 130K a month in revenue. Again, I don't have the screenshot to share with you. That's just the reality of the situation. I will be sharing with you all of this stuff in much more depth later on, if you're interested, of course. But again, I'm just sort of glossing over exactly just the rankings only. Okay, so let's go to product number 3 now. Beginning rankings on November 18th right here, and let's skip ahead to 21, day 21, December 8th. We have 8 in the top 10. Again, extremely good organic rankings. And again, this product, guys, is doing about 40 to 50K a month in revenue now as well, or on pace at least to do that, right? These are extremely successful product launches. Altogether, these products are on pace to do around, 150K plus in revenue per month within 30 days. I know that seems hard to believe, but that's entirely true. And I'll show you all the proof and everything like that at a later date. I just don't have it on me right now. Again, I'm kind of uploading this video just because I haven't uploaded it in a long time, and I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. Focusing a lot of time and attention on this stuff right here, guys, not the free course or anything, and the results show. All right, guys, so I will be hosting a live webinar at some point here soon. I don't have a date. I don't have a time or a date or anything like that. I'm going out of town here actually for a few days for the holidays. This stuff is, I'm going to be taking a little bit of a break from all this stuff. So again, I don't have a date, but I will be having a webinar soon, a live webinar. So just be on the lookout for it. Nothing to sign up for or anything in the description. Nothing to opt in for or anything like that. Be aware of it. Keep your eyes peeled. Like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you want these future updates. Again, thank you guys so much for everything. All the support, all the love, all of the kind words. Sincerely do appreciate that. So with that being said, hope everybody has a great holiday. I will be back at you with some hard-hitting content after the holiday season is over. So be on the lookout, like I said, like and subscribe, and talk to you guys later. See ya.